Oke guys, selamat datang, welcome back to my channel. Balik lagi di channel Moto Vlog. Oke, untuk konten kali ini kita akan unboxing visor ya, visor venom buat helm Honda TRX kita ya. Jika kalian ingin membeli ya, linknya saya kasih di deskripsi ya guys ya. Kalian tinggal klik aja, harganya 40.000 sudah sama recetnya guys ya.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back.